You've probably heard this before. Don't cook with olive oil. It has a low smoke point. But here's what the science actually says. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts producing continuous visible smoke. For extra virgin olive oil, that's between 350 and 410 degrees Fahrenheit. And yes, that's lower than some other oils. But here's what most people don't know. When an oil overheats, its triglycerides break down into free fatty acids and glycerol. That glycerol then converts into acrolein, a toxic compound responsible for that sharp, acrid smell you get from burnt oil. Now, the amount of acrolein an oil produces depends not just on its smoke point, but on how resistant it is to oxidation under heat. That resistance is called oxidative stability, and this is where olive oil truly stands out. A landmark 2018 study published in Acta Scientific Nutritional Health tested 10 common cooking oils under sustained heat. Extra virgin olive oil produced the lowest levels of harmful polar compounds of all of them, even lower than oils with much higher smoke points like canola and grapeseed. Why? Because EVO is rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that is inherently heat-stable and packed with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that actively protect the oil from breaking down. So the number on the label doesn't tell the full story. What matters is what happens inside the oil when the heat is on, and on that measure, extra virgin olive